Yes, Sheetal.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Sheetal. Tell me about yourself.
Sir, I'm Sheetal Shahi. I belong to Punjab and currently I'm staying in Delhi, Akshardham. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done MBA from MIT University in the HR specialization. If I talk about my prior experience, I was into HR profile and I have handled the customer relationship management too. So currently now I'm going to switch my profile to makeup industry. So I have joined Orient International in 2020 October, and now I have gained the experience here of training experience at 10 months. So I have mentioned all things in this what I have done in the Orient industry.
Okay, so why you do want, yeah, you want to change your professional into HR to like
See, sir,
beauty?
actually, when I was into HR industry, so basically because of COVID situations, I couldn't get the appraisals in my current company. Okay, and if I talk about my makeup interest, so in 2016, when I was about to learning about the makeup industry, so I thought that time I should go into makeup industry because this is my kind of interest, and in the future I want to do something my new, something my own business and plus job. So this is the motive for me. So I
So
chosen to
how
makeup
you
industry.
manage your time? Like you have your own business also.
I'm going to say I'm not doing currently on
Okay,
business. I'll just get the experience from the companies of the makeup industry, my, like brands.
Okay.
Then in future, like after 10 years, 5 years, I'll start my own business. So basically, this is my backup for my life and my future.
Okay. So why should we hire you as a beautician?
Sir, as per my previous experience and plus my current experience, both are very valuable for the clients because I have a professional experience too, and plus I have a knowledge of makeup industry. So I can manage the I can manage the industry of makeup too because I was into HR. So I have a professional experience plus makeup industry experience.
So how many months or how many years you have in the in like makeup artist professional in that?
Ah, see now my course going to complete in this month because I joined Oren in October 20. Okay, so it's a 10 months of experience of hands-on training experience with the Oren International. So my previous experience was 4.6, but basically अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो मेरा जो professional experience है 4.6
That
years
is
का है.
not that doesn't matter. Like you are HR professional.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is the different thing. Like customer relationship management.
Yeah. That would be not matter for you. I know. If I talk about my experience of makeup industry, so you can say I have a hands-on experience 10 months. This is
So
the
that
training
time
experience.
you learning as well like you practice anywhere.
No, I'm not practicing anywhere.
So how you
I'm
say
just learning
you,
here.
so how you say you have 10-month experience?
I'm saying this is my training experience.
Okay,
ट्रेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस, हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस विद ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम सीखते भी हैं देन हम करते भी हैं, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
Okay, so how many type of brushes?
Brushes, if I talk about brands, so now I'm using London Bright. Okay, so I have a 24 brushes of kit here, but main brushes are some like आपका blushes brush, आपका fan brush, आपका highlighter brush, आपका contouring brush, आपका 3 to 4 types of small brush of blending brushes. So I'm using it.
So do you have any portfolio?
पोर्टफोलियो आई कैन सी ट्रेनिंग में जो मैंने किया है
Okay.
वही मैं शो करा दूँ ना.
Okay, so suppose you are teaching a student
Okay.
and suddenly she is not satisfied with your teaching. Like then she asks like around 10 or 20 times. Like I don't know about that. You just let
See,
me know
sir,
again.
I'm telling you, student and client. There is a formula in the market. Clients are first and students are first. Because student हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में उसने एडमिशन लिया है, सो टू लर्न समथिंग अबाउट मेकअप. ठीक है, सो इट्स माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू लर्न दैम कि मैं उनको कैसे टीच कर रही हूँ, उनको मैं कैसे समझा रही हूँ. उनको 10 बार नहीं आता, 5 बार नहीं आता. आई चेंज माई मेथड टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैम कि मैं अब किस मेथड से उसे समझाऊँ. हो सकता है कभी कभी स्टूडेंट एक मेथड से नहीं समझ पाते, दूसरे मेथड से नहीं समझ पाते. सो आई कंसल्ट विद हर और हिज कि आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Yeah, Kanishka, tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. First of all, my name is Kanishka and I'm 31 years old and I'm living in Delhi and I am not working. अभी फिलहाल के लिए आई एम अ प्राउड हाउसवाइफ सर. सो मेरा इंटरेस्ट पहले से था मेकअप आर्टिस्ट में, बट जो मेरी फैमिली है उनका थोड़ा सपोर्ट नहीं था बिकॉज वो इस फील्ड को थोड़ा सा सही उनकी वजह से उनको नहीं लगता. बट जो मेरे इन लॉज हैं उन लोगों ने मेरे को अच्छे से सपोर्ट किया. So I am joining this.
So have you managed your time? Like you are like a family person.
Of course, sir. I am totally managed.
So you are makeup artist, right?
Yeah.
So what is color and how many primary colors?
Primary color, sir.
No, first you just let me know what is color
Okay.
and how many primary colors.
सर कलर्स मेनली हमें नेचर से मिले हैं, ठीक है. एंड प्राइमरी कलर में सर हमारे
Just
तीन
tell me in English only. Because
Sir.
you have to teach to anyone. So you have to teach in English only.
सर एक्चुअली माय कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट वेरी
You just try once.
ओके. सो
Don't
सर
hesitate. You just try once. Okay?
सर एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी नर्वस. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट.
Don't be nervous, you
I'm
just-
totally nervous.
Don't be nervous. You just take it easy. Okay? You just let me know about the colors.
I'm very actually, sir. I'm not very confident about.
Okay, just say in Hindi only.
Okay. सर कलर्स हमें नेचर से मिलने हैं, वो हम सब जानते हैं. तो सर हमारे प्राइमरी कलर्स में हमारे तीन कलर्स आते हैं, रेड, ऑरेंज एंड हमारा येलो. तो सर इन्हीं के थ्रू हम लोग अपना सर ये तीन कलर,
प्राइमरी कलर में ऑरेंज कौन सा है?
रेड, ब्लू एंड
रेड, येलो एंड प्राइमरी. और प्राइमरी कलर से मिलके बने होते हैं
सेकेंडरी कलर्स एंड दोनों से मिलके बने हुए होते हैं हमारे थर्ड कलर्स. तो हम लोग
Okay, do you know about the eyes? So, like how you show like small eye to large eye?
स्मॉल आई टू लार्ज आई. सर हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐसे अगर किसी क्लाइंट का हमारा स्मॉल आइज है तो हम उसको बड़ा दिखाने के लिए सर हमारा फर्स्ट.
Yeah, Pratya, tell me about yourself. Yeah, just speak loud.
सर
Speak loud.
Okay, my name is Pragya and I've studied from the Indian school and completed my diploma in professional makeup artist from this Korean, and I've done this certificate in hairstyling also, and that's it.
So, which course you have done here?
DIPM, diploma in professional makeup,
Okay.
and certificate in hairstyling. I'm doing one more and like pursuing.
Okay, so why you become a hairstyler?
Because I have a lot of interest in doing hair, making new hairstyles and all that.
Okay. So you only know about the hairstyling, right?
No, makeup.
Okay, makeup. Okay, if you mix two colors, yellow
Yes.
and blue, so which color is created?
Green.
What is eye color?
Mine.
No, what is eye color?
I couldn't.
I'm just saying, what is eye color? Eye color क्या होता है?
Like my eye color.
Not your eye, anyone eye color.
It's the reflection of
Okay, what do you want to work with us?
as a makeup artist.
So, do you know which company we are from?
Yes,
Sorry?
glam look.
No, no,
Uh,
no. We are from Boy Beauty.
okay, okay.
So, I think from here, which facility we are providing you?
Uh, all the facilities are available here.
Kinds of,
Mm,
like, what is your job role?
I want to become a like professional makeup artist. I want to work as a
Actually, we are
professional.
hiring you as a teacher.
Okay,
So, you have to teach to students at
Yes.
their doorstep.
okay.
Are you comfortable for this?
Yeah, sure.
Just like what is your location?
Mine is Nehru Nagar, near Lajpur.
Okay, describe a challenges work situation and how you handle it. Describe a work situation
Okay.
and how you handle it.
Uh,
Which is you face anytime.
Mine is dry skin. On dry skin, we usually apply like cleaning products, more of cleaning products. Uh, ignoring
No, I am
the
asking about
Sorry?
the like you face any situation
yeah.
and how you handle that situation in your life.
First of all, we need to be very much patient and first think and then take any decision. And need to be very kind and
Okay, what is your future plans?
uh, future plan is basically like to become a professional makeup artist or a hairstyler.
पोर्टफोलियो है आपका? अभी तक एक भी मेकअप नहीं किया आपने?
Yeah. Actually, I have some, and some I have found in my iPhone, but it has not, so actually.
प्राइमरी कलर कौन से होते हैं? प्राइमरी कलर
Primary colors are red, yellow, and green. Oh, blue.
डर्मा फाउंडेशन कैसे स्किन को सूट करता है?
It suits basically on oily skin. So,
अगर मेकअप ग्रे पड़ रहा है देन आप क्या करोगे?
if makeup is getting gray, then maybe the foundation you have choose that is wrong, and the color corrector you have choose that is maybe wrong. Tone to tone. You should must go tone to tone first, and first the color corrector and all according to the problem that is the person is having.
Okay, what is your strength and weakness?
Strength is to
How many type of face shape?
there are 8 to 9 should mean
Yeah.
rectangular, oval shape, diamond shape, and heart shape, oblong, and square shape, and
Okay, do you have any question to us?